Hi there, students. Staunch. Okay, staunch can be an adjective or a verb with very different meanings. Apparently the verb to staunch is an alternative for the verb to stanch. And also staunchly, an adverb from the adjective. Okay, as an adjective, staunch means loyal, steadfast, trustworthy, dependable, reliable, somebody that you can rely upon. Okay, so he has been a staunch supporter of mine for many years. A staunch supporter, this is a really good collocation. I'm a staunch believer that people should find their own solutions to their own problems. I staunchly believe that this is true. She has been a staunch Conservative voter all her life, and I doubt very much she will ever change. I'm really lucky to have so many staunch followers in this channel. My staunchest students come to my live stream every Sunday, and thank you very much, all of you. You know who you are. Okay, as a verb, to staunch, a variant of the verb to stanch, but I've always heard and used it as staunch, so I would recommend use staunch, but stanch is also possible. To staunch means to stop a flow of something, especially blood. Press hard on the gauze on this wound. Press hard with the gauze on this wound to staunch the bleeding, to staunch the flow of blood, to staunch a wound. Okay, this is very common usage of to staunch. She staunched her tears and pretended nothing had happened. You can also use staunch figuratively. The government is desperately trying to find a way to staunch the flow of capital and money out of the country. Okay, the US has tried for many years to staunch the influx of immigrants from Latin America, but to very little success. Okay, so to staunch, to stop a flow. To stem, to stop, yeah? To stop something continuing to flow. So, staunch, an adjective, loyal. He's a staunch supporter. He has supported me staunchly for a very long time. And to staunch, or to stanch, to stop a flow. He staunched the blood. He staunched the wound. Okay, notice to staunch is a regular verb. He staunched the blood flow. He has staunched it with several pieces of gauze. Now, what about formality? I think I'd probably give it a 5 in formality. I think this is both a verb and an adjective with the different meanings that you can use anywhere. I think these words are good choices for you because they give you alternative ways of saying things, but they're much less commonly used. As to origin, well, this comes from English through Old French. We have a word in Old French, estanche, meaning watertight, or a verb estanchier, to stop a flow or to seal. And maybe this comes from the Latin stantico, meaning to stop. The Latin word sto, stand, so stand still, stop still. And that's probably the origin. So, a staunch supporter, a staunch believer, he staunchly believes in this. To staunch the blood flow, to staunch a flow, to staunch the waste of water that is occurring. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Staunch, staunchly, and maybe stanch as well.